Agent friendliness degrades the same way any documentation quality does. The most direct way to check if your content works well for agents is to ask an agent questions about your product. If it can't answer, usually you've got vague titles, inconsistent terminology, or pages mixing too many topics. A wrong answer? A page is relying on context the agent doesn't have, or terminology is ambiguous. Outdated answers? A page wasn't updated when the product changed. The biggest ongoing risk is product changes that don't get documented. Agents present stale information with the same confidence as up-to-date information. They have no way to know something has changed. So make documentation updates part of how features ship. When a feature changes, update the documentation in the same pull request if your docs are in the same repo. If your content is in a separate repository, make sure that updating documentation is part of your release process. Check for consistent terminology, especially if many people contribute to your content. Maintain a style guide, search for synonyms and variants of the correct terms, and fix any inconsistencies. An agent can help you here. Give it your terminology list and have it review your documentation. Review new pages to make sure they are meaningful on their own. Does a page assume the reader has read anything else? Does it use terms only defined elsewhere? Would someone arriving from a link to just this page have enough context to answer a question about your product? Stay consistent with a maintenance schedule. With every release, update any pages and check for inconsistent terminology. Monthly, review agent conversations. Quarterly, review your llms.txt file to make sure it still reflects your current content. The same improvements to your documentation to make it useful for agents make it better for every person who reads it too.